Hi guys, good morning. I uploaded last night before I went to bed. I uploading the video for tomorrow, but look what happened. Look, it's stuck. Look, it's 14 minutes. It's 78%. But anyway guys, I will see you downstairs later. I'm just gonna bring this downstairs and do it downstairs, upload it. And yeah, it sucks. I don't understand. It's a nice day today. It's a nice day today. It's a very nice good morning, everyone. You know what I'm planning to do today? I'm gonna block that off over there on top. I will put blue tape. So I'm gonna get a sweater first. It's right here. I will wear you again. I will wear you again, sweater, because it's freezing downstairs. Believe me, in winter, this sweater won't help. I need a double sweater, especially we're up here, upstate. It will be very, very cold. Oh, look at the sun. Look at the sun, guys. Hold on. Look at it. Oh my God. That over there. It's so pretty. Anyway, let's see if it's working. No, it's still not working, so I guess I have to upload it again. Okay guys, it's a waste of time last night. I don't usually use syrup, but I think I have to, right? If I wanna try. I love pancakes and I don't like syrup, so I will try it anyway. Have breakfast, guys. Okay, shout out to the people who subscribe my channel. And okay, day ago, that means yesterday, from going back, okay, Mike Lyerson, Jennifer Perez, Shopkin, Lily Molly, Amazing Grail, thank you guys. Junalyn Villanueva, hi, you want to be shout out? Junalyn Villanueva, hi Junalyn. Elias Daily, hi Elias Daily. Simply May, that's it. Simply May, I guess. 16 Fin, Kylie Sipple, I am Haley, Jackie, and Noor Hidayan Karim, Edson William C, Mandawi Trapal Supply, oh my God, Mandawi Cebu Trapal, Angel Sakani, Frank O'Connor, Gina P, Blair Gron, and Francis Tufi's channel, The Miller's Live, Charles Sans Jose, Michelin Silbor. Some of these people subscribe my channel without even telling me they subscribe, which is, I will check your channel that I know I remember something there is, because I can see some, for example, Blair Grant, there is 510 subscribers she have, so probably she make a video and I will look into it. And to Michelin Silbor and Pinoy in America, Vancouver, I will check on you guys later on, because you subscribe my channel without even notifying me, and I really appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for subscribing my channel. Calvin Roberts, Saki Sama, Mian's Fave, Audrey P, Gitinag Bigod, Mabil Nurin Chin, Elian Nisi Rivera, Lazel Iskin, Mike Hackett, Tiziano Pellegrino, at Crocus, Let's Talk, Adventure Time Girl, and Jubilita Hi Jovelita, I'm gonna check your channel. I heard you, some people follow you on YouTube. I will check on you. I think I did already subscribe your channel. Joby Walfred, Jenny Pulmano, One Way Planet Ticket, Inday Gudiday, Lifetime, Loiza Rivera, Nilda Juanete, and Tagbina. Okay, Jermaine. Okay, I read you guys already, so some of this I know I did read it. But that's it, guys. Going to the basement, guys. No, not the basement. I'm going to the garage because yesterday I saw a lot of ladybugs everywhere. So I'm gonna look if they're still there, if they died or what. I'm gonna check them anyway. They're all scattered. They're all scattered. Hold on, guys. Look, it's a lot of stuff here. Look, they came into that, how do you call that, window? But most of them are in the ground. No, not really. They're everywhere. Look at that. Did you see that? That's a ladybug. Look, there's ladybug everywhere. And they're scattered. They're piled up before over there. My husband is planning to paint white, and I don't know how can I clean this one. I think I have to power wash because there's a lot of cobweb. Yeah, and that's really it, guys. Oh my goodness. Today I'm here for like already, okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4 days already I'm here alone. Tommy won't pick me up until Monday. He's gonna be here Monday. We're gonna sleep for Monday night, and then early in Tuesday we're going home early after breakfast here. Tuesday in the other house because he has an appointment in their house for 6 o'clock in the evening, in the afternoon, which is evening already. Yeah. There's no more bug. There's no more bug. I wish I have, you know what, the two kids, the two dogs has been here. The one cat Hubs that you guys seen in my vlog. If you've been watching my vlog, you see Hubs freak out when Tommy brought him here. And only Dimples is never been here. So Dimplers, if you're listening, if you're watching me, Dimplers, please come over here. So now there is a shoes thing over there. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna edit a video tonight also. Today. Not night yet, but today I will edit the video. And I'm going to finish this thing and I will see you later. Hi guys. You know what? I'm struggling right now. Because struggling because I am alone. You can see it's like the leaves here like that. You can see that. I'm supposedly be home already now. Already Thursday, and of course my husband is working. So what happened is, I don't even feel like eating now. I kind of like really sad. I'm not seeing my kids, but seeing outside is very pretty. But of course it's very quiet. So I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm gonna eat, guys. Hi guys. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Look at this. I'm gonna eat the flower. I have banana over here. Well, I have food of you. Obviously, I have something here, but like, oh. Let me turn all the lights on here. That makes me feel good. I'm gonna open this now too. Open the window, open the window. I can't even open the door because I blocked it with blow tape. So now there's no bugs coming in because I blocked it. I am making fish, guys. I found fish in the freezer. Oh, it's hot. That fish, it's the, I forgot the name, but it's only one left, so it's good. I'm watching TV and then I'm uploading the video. So anyway guys, I'm just gonna lie down, watch a TV, watch my phone, watch a channel, and yeah, good night guys. I am loving it. Laptop and cell phone, it's working together.
Celebrating 100 years of service.